If you think creating viral Instagram reels requires hours of planning, expensive equipment, and perfect lighting, I hate to tell you this, but you are doing it wrong. Some of my highest performing reels took less than 5 minutes to create, involved no talking, and were filmed on my iPhone with no fancy lighting or microphone. In this video, I am breaking down my proven 3-step framework that anyone can follow to create fast and easy reels in mere minutes. Plus 10 brand new reel ideas that you can film right now after watching this video. Literally, no excuses. They are so easy. Now, if you're anything like me, then you know that creating reels and short form video content is a really important part of your social media strategy, especially when it comes to growing your reach and gaining awareness. We want those eyeballs on our content, but that doesn't make us hate it any less, right? I mean, it is so time consuming. You have to research viral video ideas, come up with the best hook, write the script, rehearse it, record it, edit it, right? I don't know about you, but I will never, ever do a dancing and pointing reel. Dancing, yes. Pointing, maybe. But those two things together, never. Mark my words. Now, if you're like, girl, me too, I have really, really good news for you, because after analyzing my top performing content of all time on Instagram, it turns out that some of my best reels weren't the ones I spent hours creating. Go figure. They were the random, authentic moments I almost didn't post because they were a little bit too scrappy or unpolished or honestly, a little bit lazy. But hey, that is the energy I need in my life right now. So today, I'm gonna give you my exact lazy reel framework, plus 10 completely new reel ideas that I have never shared before. And the best part is all of these reels involve zero talking and can honestly be filmed in less than 5 minutes, less than 2 minutes. Here it is, my lazy 3-step reel framework that works every single time. Step number 1, you have to capture a moment. Literally, any moment. Do not overthink this. Pull out your phone and record something real happening in your real life. Maybe it's you having your morning cup of coffee, walking down the street. Okay, maybe you need an Instagram buddy for that one, but you also could just do a selfie video. Or maybe you are working at your computer, riding in the car, or having a cocktail at dinner. I'm honest, you guys. Think dead freaking simple. This isn't a performance, it's just a peek into your everyday life. It's also how I noticed that I have resting face. Step number 2, you're gonna add audio, right? And when it comes to audio, you really have 2 very simple options. You can record a quick voiceover, or you can add music or Instagram audio directly from inside the app. Now, of course, adding voiceover does take talking. Okay, it does, but it is super quick, and honestly, you don't even need a script for it. I simply record in my voice memo app in my iPhone, and then I export it, add it, and that's it. Or how about this reel where I literally used an actual voice memo that I sent to my team over some B-roll of me on vacation.
Hey, good morning. I am currently sitting next to the pool, the hotel in Cabo. I do not have my laptop with me. I just have a notebook.
But if you want to be as lazy as possible, because hey, that's what I promised in this video, you can definitely add trending audio from Instagram. It's easy, it's fast, and it's a great way to get the algorithm to push your content out to more people. When I wake up in the morning and I step outside. You remember that one? Oh my God, it is still stuck in my head. And honestly, the audio doesn't even have to make perfect sense with the video. If it's trending, it will give your video a lift. So if you ever stumble across an audio on Instagram that you really love while you're doom scrolling, you can just save it, and then you can easily find it when you're ready to create a reel later. Okay, and then the 3rd step you need to do is simply add text over the video. Keep it short and really easy to read for the scrollers. Most of us are really scrolling through short form video pretty quickly. And I recommend sharing one big idea, like a quote or a tip or a really simple process that you can say in just a few words. Don't force people to read the caption, because let's be honest, most people will not read the caption. Now, of course, sometimes it's fine to do that, but if you really want to get more views and engagement, keep the idea in the video itself, and then only really interested people who want to learn more can go read the caption, because it is so important that you get views, or more importantly, even shares, because that is going to increase the likelihood of other people finding that reel. And then all that's left to do is post that bad boy, okay? So are you ready for 10 really easy, no talking reel ideas that you can film literally in the next 5 minutes? Yeah, you are. The first one, getting ready. So here you can film yourself maybe getting ready for work or doing your makeup or your morning journaling practice. Slap on some text overlay where maybe you share something like my morning routine or creative refresh ritual or how I get into creative flow. Number 2, share your workspace behind the scenes. Record a video of yourself working or maybe clearing off your desk or preparing for a client call. You can even time lapse these videos so they move really, really quickly. And you can add some text overlay, like something like point of view, you're choosing discipline over chaos today, or what I remind myself before every single client call. Something really simple. All right, number 3, capture a learning moment. Film yourself, trying something new, like a new hobby or reading a new book, or some B-roll of you learning something new from someone you really admire. Your text overlay might say something like, the unexpected thing I learned from Dan Martell, or the one lesson I wish I learned sooner, or this changed how I run my business. All right, next up, number 4, handwritten notes. So I don't know if it's the writer in me, but there is something so freaking satisfying about watching someone write. Is it just me? So you could film yourself taking notes or writing down your goals or ideas on a piece of paper or a Post-it note. All right, number 5, mirror check. I mean, this is something you probably already have 500 of saved on your phone, right? Okay, is this one really just me? I do this all the time, and I think this is gonna be a hot tip for you that honestly will save you so much freaking time. Anytime I'm on vacation or going out for date night, or maybe I'm at a hotel or at the airport, really anywhere, I love to take a quick fit check video in the bathroom mirror. I know, big deal, right? But everyone loves it. Instead of just snapping a photo, I take a little video, and then I add all of these videos into a Dropbox folder titled B-roll. And honestly, these are just random videos that can be repurposed over and over and over again to create endless short form videos. And because I love fashion, I don't even have to be talking about fashion. People just like to see it while I share something completely unrelated. All right, now let's talk about before, after reveal videos. This is where you can show your desk, maybe messy versus organized, or maybe you're unboxing something that came in the mail, something that's related to your business, or honestly, even not. Maybe it's a new book or something. Or, of course, my favorite, a wardrobe change. Get creative with this one because there are so many cool before and afters that you could come up with. And who doesn't love a good before and after moment? It doesn't have to be entirely related to your business. People just love seeing reveals. All right, number 7 is a genuine reaction. So get some B-roll of you maybe getting caught in the moment. And a little tip here is usually those aren't on your phone because if you're recording it, it's hard to be caught in the moment. So these might be actually B-roll clips that you have on your partner's phone or your best friend's phone. Oftentimes your friends will have amazing B-roll of you where you're being completely authentic because you don't even know you're being filmed. Or maybe you just film a reaction to something, like seeing something that makes you just shake your head. Or maybe you film yourself receiving some good news. Like maybe you see a really cool email come in and you record your reaction before you open and read it. Or maybe you got a testimonial and you film yourself reading that. Okay, number 8, end of the day ritual. So we started with a beginning of the day ritual. Now here's an end of the day ritual. Maybe it's shutting your laptop closed for the weekend, or putting on that comfy robe, or just winding down with a candle and a journal and a tea after a long day. And you can add some text about the day, right? Or maybe you share 3 things you do to close your day, or you can share a quote or something that you do to avoid burnout and really rest and reflect. Number 9, I'm calling this one recipe for success. This is a fun little play on words that you can get really, really creative with. Just film yourself making anything, right? Making your morning coffee, making dinner, or even cheersing a cocktail, right? And then use it as a way to share a recipe for success. So something like 5 things that help me stay productive, 3 reminders for freelancers or whoever your audience is, daily habits that make my business feel lighter, or 3 things I'm really proud of this week. And number 10, showcase growth or transformation. This is a really great way to showcase you stepping outside of your comfort zone and doing things that scare you a little bit. Maybe it's investing in yourself by joining a mastermind or some sort of an online program, speaking on stage, or going on a big adventure, or even just a little one. Share something like, I used to think XYZ was scary, but now it's everyday life. Or one day I dreamed of where I would be today. Or growth is messy, but it is so worth it. And that is it. 10 super easy reels that you could film in 5 minutes or less. Now here is your challenge. I want you to pick one, just one of these ideas, and I want you to film it today and post it to Instagram. Remember, your audience does not want to see a performance. They want to see themselves in your content. They want to see the real you. So make it relatable. Don't overthink it. Just film it and post it, and make sure to tag me at Copy Posse so I can see what you create and cheer you on. And if you want even more content strategies like this, make sure to grab a free copy of my social media starter pack. You can scan this QR code or click the link in the description below. It has 128 more ideas just like these. I will see you next week with a brand new video. Until then, I'm Alex. Ciao for now. Before you go, if you like that video, make sure to check out this one next. If you think you need to spend a ton of time planning and scripting great Instagram reels, think again. Some of my most effective reels had zero planning, zero talking, and took less than 10 minutes to create from start to finish. In this video, I'm gonna break down a 3-step strategy anyone can follow, and I mean anyone, to make awesome reels quickly, even if you're a total beginner, plus 10 easy reel ideas that you can literally film right now, starting today. So keep watching.